Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on how to hack. So over here I have DVWA running, alright, which is a vulnerable web application system. And of course over here we have one particular vulnerability, which is file upload. Alright, so as you can see here we have the vulnerability file upload, and it says choose an image to upload. So what happens is that a lot of sites may have the option for us to select, say, photos, videos to upload, text messages, and for certain business application they allow us to upload Excel sheets and so on. So the list goes on. And of course in this case what we are doing here is to upload a PHP payload that gives us a connection to the web application system and be able to do all sorts of post exploitation following from this particular upload. So as we can see here, all we gotta do is to go ahead and open up a terminal. Alright, so over here I got a terminal running, and you have to be able to install Weevely. Alright, so I can go ahead and share with you Weevely. So Weevely is actually a weaponized web shell. Alright, so it gives us a large way access and creation of a payload that we can upload to a web application system. Alright, as you can see over here. And all you gotta do is just download it from the code. So you can download as a zip, or you can do a git clone, and once you have it you can navigate into the folder. So in our case I can navigate into the folder. Alright, so once you're in, we can actually look at all the files that's been downloaded, and of course the primary one for us will be weevely.py. Alright, so it's a Python file that can help us then create the payload.php in which we will upload into the vulnerable web application system. Alright, so all you gotta do is enter /weevely. Alright, so what we need to do now is to firstly create the file. Alright, we have to firstly create a file on the payload that we upload into the web application system. So all you gotta do is enter Weevely generate, followed by password, and followed by the file name. So in my case I'm gonna put payload.php, hit enter on that, and it has created, alright, a file. Alright, and in this case we have 751 byte size. And of course we have over here payload.php. Okay, so what we can do next is that we can now go back into the vulnerable application system, and we can click on upload. Alright, we can click on browse, and we can go ahead and select payload.php, and once you select it, click upload. Alright, and it says over here the file has been successfully uploaded, and it's uploaded to this particular location. Alright, so once it's been uploaded, all we gotta do is to go back into Weevely, and we can actually connect into the web application system using this. Alright, so again using Weevely /Weevely, and now what we need to do is to basically enter, alright, the IP address or the URL 192.168.0.212/, alright, in this case we would have DVWA / alright, vulnerabilities, hackable / alright, and as you can see over here, uploads /payload.php. Hit enter on that, alright, followed by password, and now we're in. So we now have access to the file that we've uploaded that gives us a weaponized web shell that we can do all sorts of commands and instructions inside the system. Alright, so what can we do? All you gotta do is enter help, and it will list down, alright, all the commands that you can actually issue into the system. So in our case, we can look at brute force SQL, net scan, net ifconfig. Alright, so all these are the different things that we can look at. So I can go ahead and enter net _ifconfig, hit enter on that, and we'll be able to see the IP address. So we're in. So we have ETH0, and then we have the IP address over here. Okay, so what else can we do? We can also look at, for example, alright, over here we can upload files, we can look at backdoor TCP, reverse TCP, system extension, system information. So let's go ahead and enter system_info, and we can see all this information. Alright, the PHP version, the client IP, the server name. Alright, we can look at the document root, the PHP self. All these different details and data can be easily accessible from Weevely. Alright, with a weaponized shell over here. Alright, so thank you so much once again for watching, and I hope that you learned something valuable in today's tutorial. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll try my best to answer any of your queries. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can be kept abreast of the latest cybersecurity tutorial. Thank you so much once again for watching.